Today we had a very great day here at Plug and Play where we were able to identify, common trends, common problems, and common practices across the corporate venture funding and corporate venture capital initiatives. It was interesting to see that most of the enterprises, no matter where they come from, they're all facing similar problems and similar challenges, and they all have a different way of addressing them.
Me and my colleagues, we sit in meetings every day with large corporations, and every day they ask us, what are other people doing to innovate? How are they overcoming the challenges of not invented here syndrome? Overcoming the challenges of bringing technology home to the mothership? How are you overcoming challenges of just executing? And so we really saw a need to do an event like this.
Being part of Silicon Valley simply means working with startups and working with VCs and looking for where the technology is coming from. You basically have to go at the well, and a lot of the innovation, a lot of the new technology is not coming from the industry, it's coming from startups.
For us, it's interesting to hear about what other companies are doing, what we can learn from their mistakes, their best practices. It's been very encouraging because we're all sort of going through this together, and there's no sort of one easy way to do it. And as we've expressed, there's many challenges to getting this done. So it's a chance for us to learn from each other and kind of share our best case stories.
Today's event and the attendance pretty much emphasizes that corporate venture capital is here to stay. How those startups and those corporations work and how they both learn how to work with each other is kind of key to the whole discussion.
Startups, they always bring an external view to current problems or a breakthrough view to current known problems. We at Ericsson, we're embracing external innovation. We would like to see things moving forward. If there are things that we cannot do internally or if they are faster to be done outside, we're very open of utilizing a startup.
One of the things that's really exciting about what's going on at Plug and Play is you're bringing together this huge ecosystem. Right, hundreds of people all interested in trying to kind of advance their business forward, their startup forward, their corporation forward. And a lot of the ideas that actually you see get success, right, it requires like that whole network to kind of come together.
Plug and Play offers this one 360 view of the startup ecosystem that really facilitates corporates not to have to spend time on things that they're doing already in order to bring a startup to life.
By being a part of the Plug and Play network and by having our fingers on the pulse of new technology allows us to see how these new trends will impact our current business model, but also help us find new business models for growth in the future.